Hello friend, you are again welcome on Computer Guruji channel. As yesterday we give the video about the Opera and the name was Opera browser become the first to add free VPN in Android as well as in the websites. There I got a lot of comments on this video how to use the VPN and how to make the VPN enable in the browser. Today in this video we will show you how you can make your VPN enable on your browser. As you can see in this browser also on the top left VPN is on. It is showing green, means that VPN is on in this computer also. So if you want to make your browsing safe and secure, then watch this video up to the end. This is Sunit and you are watching Computer Guruji channel. Let's proceed with the video. Well friend, first of all open your Google and type here Opera. When you will type Opera, you will go to the download new Opera browser with its feature you need, opera.com. Here you will see fast, secure, easy to use browser. Try the Opera browser now with a built-in ad blocker, battery saver and free VPN. You can see here this is free VPN. Now there is a download option. You have to click on download now and it will start downloading. You can see here Opera setup is downloaded here. Now I will show all. When you click on the show all, then I see the Opera setup. I will click on the Opera setup. Yes, you can see here when I am going to install the Opera, it is showing here also built-in ad blocker, free VPN, easy customization and extension, built-in messages. I will click on the install button. Friend, you can see that Opera is going to be installed, and those of my friends who are commenting me that Opera has not launched any free VPN, friends, now I will show you how you can enable the VPN services in the Opera and how you can make Opera as your browser for the safety and security of your all personal data as well as your personal information. Now the installation is going to be finished and almost it is done, and soon we will see the best feature of Opera with VPN and other security features. Well friend, now Opera browser is installed. I will click on the Opera browser. Well friend, when you open the Opera browser, then on the right side here you see easy setup. You have to click on the easy setup. When you click on the easy setup, then scroll down and go to the last position. Here you see go to the browser setting. Click on the browser setting. When you click on the browser setting, then browser setting page will be opened before you. Here you will see all the settings are here. Yes, first of all, block ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster. You can block ads from here. You have to make it enables, then you have to click on the advanced. When you click on the advanced, then there is a privacy and security. Just click on the privacy and security. When you click on the privacy and security, here you will see the lot of features. Opera may use web services to improve your browsing experience. You may optionally disable these services. Here you will see the lot of features. Now you have to scroll down this page, and while scrolling down you can see the VPN setting here. Okay, again you scroll down and in the last here is, friends, you see VPN enable VPN. You can enable your VPN from the Opera only. Opera become the first browser to give these features of the VPN, although this will little bit affect the speed of your browsing, but your browsing will be safe and secure. And there are many another features as a battery saver, etc. You can see all the features of the Opera, and I think those of my friends who want to know how they can enable the VPN services in the Opera, and those friends who comment in my last video where I give you the video about this latest updates that they are not getting the VPN service, and I'm sure you got the setting how you can switch on your VPN in the Opera browser. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please touch on the like button and share this video with everyone who use the internet and who use the browser, so that he can experience the safe and secure browsing on his internet and on his mobile phone. That's all friends, see you in the next video. Till then, keep on watching Computer Guruji channel. Have a good day.
If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day.